Watch this video and learn how to draw a brown cow. Later in the show, Barry Tone has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, gang. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, and welcome to Artie's show.
That was a nice welcome, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
I am ready.
Remember the other day when we saw that cow?
Yeah.
The brown one?
Yeah.
Let's draw it.
Oh, okay. Good idea. Yeah.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
I'm so happy to see everyone today.
Are you ready to start, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Well, we're going to do a great drawing today.
Okay, let's get going. Woohoo! Yeah.
Let's start by drawing our cow's left eye. A little circle in the middle of the page on the left side. Now draw a smaller circle inside. That's it, shade it in black. And then let's draw a little eyelash coming out of the left side. Should we go down to the field later and see if we can see the cow again, Artie?
Oh, yes, please. Wow. Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, we'll go later this afternoon.
Artie's excited.
Now let's draw the right eye. A little circle on the right side. A smaller circle inside. Remember? That's it, shaded in black. And one eyelash coming out of the right side of the eye. Very good.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. Very helpful. Now let's add some little eyebrows. One over the left eye, and of course, one over the right eye. Let's draw a wavy line on the left side of the face. That's going to be the left side of her head. Nice job, Artie. Now can you do the same on the right side? Another wavy shaped line. Oh, here comes Barry Tone. Hi, Barry.
Hey, Artie. Oh, wow, nice drawing. It needs a little song. It needs some song and a voice and... Okay, I'll go.
Thanks, Barry. We'll see you later. Okay, Artie, let's draw a sort of heart shape at the very top of our cow's head. Very nice. Now let's add the cow's snout. A curved line on the left side, and then a W shape underneath. All the way across, up in the middle, back down. And then let's continue and finish those two lines together so we've got one big snout shape.
I think we should have a dance break.
Good idea!
Yeah, let's go have a dance break. Dance break, dance break, dance break.
Clap along, little artists!
Judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
Dancing is great fun.
And good exercise.
dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
Barry was awesome.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah. Okay.
Come on then. Let's add a tear-shaped nostril on the right side and shade it in black. Perfect job, Artie. Now can you do the same on the left side? Don't forget, tear-shaped. Watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Let's give our cow a nice mouth, a smiley curved line, and then shade the whole inside area in black. Take your time, Artie. Have patience. We want it to look really nice and neat in there. That's it. Good job. Another smiley curved line underneath. And let's give her a little cheek on the left. And another one on the right. And now she has a complete face.
Oh, that music sounds nice. Oh no, that's Painty's music.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty, you've done it again and made a big splashy, sploshy paint mess. Let's add some ears, Artie. One on the left. It's a sort of leaf shape, like a leaf on a tree. It looks awesome.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yeah,
Well, I suppose so.
yes please.
Okay.
Okay.
Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a trapezoid.
Artie, find trapezoid.
Is there a trapezoid shape in this window, Artie?
Yeah, trapezoid cake.
I wonder what will be trapezoid shaped on this street.
Trapezoid street lamp.
And that roof behind is even trapezoid shaped. What else can we find?
It's a trapezoid flower pot.
Look at this house, Artie. Look at the roof.
It's a trapezoid roof. Artie loves trapezoids. Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
It really was.
Yeah,
Let's finish the drawing.
yeah, okay, yeah. Cartoon break.
Okay. Let's add the right ear. Remember we drew a sort of leaf shape and then another curved line on top to give the ear some thickness. That's it. Let's give her some hair. Brown cows have sort of hair on the top of their head. Oh, here comes Bunny Fluffington. Hi, Bunny.
Hi, Bunny.
Wow, that drawing makes me hop with joy.
Oh, I'm very happy.
It's excellent.
Excellent.
Hop to it.
Bye.
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 I think Bunny made a sort of Easter bunny joke there. Excellent. She's so funny. Well, I think all that remains now are some nice horns. We'll draw a horn on the right side. And of course, let's draw a horn on the left side. Oh, this drawing looks so good, Artie. I can't wait to see it coloured in. Are you finished?
I finished.
Awesome work.
Yeah.
But what now?
We could color it in.
That's a good idea.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Artie's finished.
It came out really good, Artie.
Yeah,
So nice.
really good.
An awesome colour.
Yeah,
Did you think it would be this good?
no.
Well, it is. It's another masterpiece.
Yes, Artie's very pleased.
You should be.
Have a great day, Artie.
See you soon.
Bye, Artie. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an Artie day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.